In a small village, a man named Anand was overwhelmed by life's struggles. His business had failed, his family relations were strained, and he felt isolated. Hopeless and on the verge of giving up, he decided to seek help from the wise Gautam Buddha, who was teaching in a nearby monastery. Anand's journey was long and challenging, filled with self-doubt and fear. He walked through forests and crossed rivers, thinking about his failures. Despite his exhaustion, he knew that he had to reach Buddha to find answers. After a long journey, Anand finally arrived at the monastery. It was peaceful, with monks sitting in meditation, birds chirping, and a gentle breeze. The calmness of the place felt unfamiliar to him. He saw Buddha sitting under a Bodhi tree, deep in thought. Anand approached Buddha and bowed. "I am lost in my life," Anand said. "I am drowning in my problems, and I see no hope. What should I do when everything seems to go wrong?" Buddha smiled warmly and gestured for Anand to sit beside him. He took a deep breath and began to share his wisdom. Buddha began. "There was once a mighty storm that swept across the land. Trees were uprooted, homes were destroyed, and everything seemed to be in chaos. However, one small tree stood firm against the storm, bending with the wind but never breaking." He paused and looked at Anand. "Just like that tree, we must learn to bend and adapt in difficult times. Hardships are part of life, but they are not permanent. If we stay grounded and resilient, we will emerge stronger." Buddha continued. "When the storm passed, the land began to heal. The skies cleared, flowers bloomed, and the once destroyed houses were rebuilt. The tree that had bent during the storm stood tall once again, even stronger than before." Anand listened intently, realizing that his struggles were like the storm, temporary. He could rebuild his life if he stayed patient and resilient. Buddha looked into Anand's eyes and said, "In difficult times, look within yourself. The strength you need is already inside you, like that tree's roots. Bad times do not last forever. The lessons they teach us remain. Accept life's storms with grace and know that after every storm, there is peace." Anand felt a wave of peace wash over him. He realized that instead of running from his problems, he needed to face them with resilience and wisdom. With Buddha's words in his heart, Anand returned to his village. He began to rebuild his life, one step at a time. Though his problems didn't disappear immediately, his attitude towards them had changed. He no longer feared failure, and with newfound patience, he faced each challenge as a chance to grow. Months passed, and Anand's life improved. His business began to recover, and his family bonds grew stronger. He often thought of Buddha's teachings and shared them with others who faced their own storms. He had learned that bad times were not the end, but a new beginning. Buddha's teachings remind us that bad times are temporary, and the strength to overcome them lies within us. Like the tree that bends but doesn't break, we too can withstand life's storms and emerge stronger. Anand's journey is a testament to resilience, patience, and the